Hi, this week we're going to look at the electronic health record, the HITECH Act, and meaningful use. In health records management, you are learning about, or you have learned about, the health record and its required content. So some of this is going to be familiar to you, so it's a quick refresher. I waited until week 13 for this unit for two reasons. The first reason, it is a partial review of content from health records management, so it doesn't hurt to get a reminder. But the second reason, it's going to demonstrate the required data that is needed to be collected and recorded in the patient record, especially in the outpatient setting. Meaningful use is a term that you'll hear, and it was a part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, and one of the goals was to improve quality of care and hopefully improve patient outcomes, all of which is part of healthcare delivery systems. If you have encountered healthcare services, you will see a connection between some of the data that's collected for meaningful use and make a relationship to why now they ask you those questions. So it's just a good overview. I really want you to pay particular attention to the slides that give examples of what kind of meaningful use information that is collected. So it's not a difficult unit this week, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.